So that's 49 degrees. This thing can barely climb 49 degrees. Even with extra weight in the tires, like look at this. 40 fucking 9 degrees. Like what in the fuck is going on? So yeah. Look at this. Oof. If you're gonna buy a AX24, I fucking highly recommend against it. The more I keep playing with this thing, the more I really dislike it. Like, it can barely climb anything. And when it's going, like when it actually starts moving, it's gonna end up sitting like that 90% of the time. If you have any load on it, it's just gonna stay twisted to the side. Like you can see how it's so cockeyed right there. See, and it only gets worse. The torque twist on this thing is fucking atrocious. If you're gonna get one, this is how I recommend running it. If you want something to climb, just stick with the SCX24s, like a JLU or the Deadbolt. Like 100% better. I'll try to do some slow crawling. Like look at that. It's like not even. This thing has so much twist that it can't even keep its front end down there. Like look at this. Come on, man. It is fucking pathetic. Come on, can you make it? Oh, struggles. See that shit? It's so fucking bad. Like, what the hell were they thinking when they made this? Ugh, what a fucking fail. I almost bought the frickin' Stinger system for it too, but I'm just, no. Like, it's such a piece of shit. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with SCX24s. Probably end up trying to sell all this crap. Yeah. I don't like it. I think I'm done with this truck. I think it's gonna become a piece to sell or just to sit on the shelf, because its performance is horrible, to say the least. Yeah, what a waste of money. Don't waste your money on this one. Stay with the SCX24s or a Mini Z. I'd buy a Mini Z over one of these any fucking day, even for the extra 100 and whatever bucks. This thing is a piece of crap. The more I play with it, the more frustrating it becomes. Really don't like this fucking push button shit either. Like, that's your power. So if you got a fucking dude's finger, it barely fucking fits in there. Sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't. You're like, the fuck is going on? There we go, stayed on. Like, ugh. Now it doesn't want to go off. Like, there's so much wrong with these. Don't like it at all. Don't waste your money. Yep, final verdict. Peace.